Deep Cleanse is the latest and the newest product that BDR just created, and it's a fabulous cleanser, a foaming cleanser. It really gives you finest, silky, soft, creamy bubbles, and the fabulous thing about that one is that the cleansing ingredients are complete. They have a complete different approach to an average cleanser, because usually a cleanser would dry out the surface of the epidermis. And if you also have a lack of natural moisturizing factors, that means the ability to bind natural moisture and water inside your tissues, this cleansing foam contains a biomimetic product and ingredient that is exactly fitting to the natural biology of each and every human skin. And if you have a lack of your natural moisturizing factors, which is amino acids and different biological things, this cleanser will find these gaps and fill them and give you a complete natural biological moisturizing factor. And that counts for each and every skin type, no matter what age, no matter what color, no matter what skin situation you're in. And everybody who loves to use cleansing foams will love that one. I also already experienced from a lot of clients who use cleansing milks because they like it creamy, they like it more. They have bad experience with foaming cleansers. They love to use that also during the summertime, and it's also a fabulous makeup cleanser. So it's an all-in-one product for each and every skin type with the most modern ingredients that you can find to help to keep your natural biological moisturizers.